Welcome to our Excel tutorial. If you've ever had to clean up a text string with multiple duplicate characters or words, you'll appreciate today's lesson. We're going to explore how to remove these duplicates from a single cell in Excel using VBA, which stands for Visual Basic for Applications. Assuming that you have a list of data in range B1, B2, in which contains some test string values, and you want to remove all duplicate characters from text string in one cell. For example, the text string is AABBCC, removing duplicate characters to get the last string as ABC. How to do it? You can use a user-defined function to achieve the result in Excel. Do the following steps. To begin, open your Excel workbook and use the shortcut keys Alt+F11 to launch the Visual Basic for Applications editor. This integrated development environment is where we'll create our custom function to remove duplicates. In the VBA editor, you'll see a menu across the top. Click on Insert, and then choose Module from the drop-down list. This will create a new module in your VBA project where you can write your code. Now, let's focus on the task at hand. We'll write a VBA function called removeDupes that will remove duplicate characters from a given text string. Copy the provided code and paste it into the code window of your new module. Once you've pasted the code, remember to save it by clicking on File in the VBA editor menu and then Save. Saving your work ensures that the custom function is available for use in your Excel workbook. After saving the VBA code, return to your Excel worksheet. To use the removeDupes function, type =removeDupes, B1, into a blank cell, where B1 is the cell that contains the text string with duplicate characters you wish to remove. Press Enter to execute the formula, and you'll see the magic happen. Excel will display the text string from cell B1 with all duplicate characters removed, showing only the unique characters in the order they first appear. If your goal is to remove duplicate words instead, you'll need a different VBA function. Go back to the VBA editor and paste the second provided code into a new module, just like you did before. With the new VBA function NoDupWords saved, head back to your Excel worksheet. Enter the formula =NoDupWords, B1, into a new blank cell. This function takes two arguments: the cell containing the text string and the separator, which in this case is a comma. After pressing Enter, observe the result. Your text string in cell B1 will be displayed in the new cell, but this time with all duplicate words removed, leaving you with a list of unique words. Congratulations! You've learned how to use VBA to remove duplicate characters or words from a single cell in Excel. This skill can significantly streamline your data cleaning process and is a testament to the power of VBA for advanced Excel users. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to experiment with these VBA functions to enhance your Excel data manipulation capabilities. For more Excel tips and tricks, be sure to subscribe to our channel.